I got a Nissan 350Z and it is a 2007. So I am going to remove the radio. It's a Bose radio, so the wiring harness is going to be a little bit different. First of all, I'm going to have to pop these open, and then that, and then the rest of them out here. I try not to use this tool as much. I'm going to try to use my hand more by wiggle this up a little bit and pull it up easy like that, and it should come out. And then once it come out, there should be screw right there, 1 and 2 right there. So when you are working on this part right here, you want to take like a flat head, let me see, and put right here, push this clip right there down and twist it. It should come out, but be careful, this ribbon is kind of hard to do with one hand, but I got it out anyway. So now once you get that out, you're gonna have another wire for the same thing. I had to put it this way. Sorry, the camera's. You take a flat head and push it, or push with your nails. If you got longer nail, it'll be good. If you don't, like me, I don't have that long nail, so push that in and pull it out. So now you got it like this. You're gonna have to take that part out right there. Well, actually, you might not have to take it out. I'm gonna take all this screw out because we're gonna need to take this out and then that out. And then the rest of the screw should be out. I'm gonna see if I had to take all 4 of them, or 6 of them, or 4 of them. So I got 2 out. That's for the radio up here. So this for this dash right there. Let me just take this out first instead of take the whole thing out, because I don't think you have to take the whole thing out, because this is not made to take it out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pull this rubber piece out. There should be screw in there, you can see. Wow, yeah, it's out. Okay, well, you're gonna have to take the bottom 4 out too, so you're gonna have to take 6 screw out from there. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Take that out. On this bottom right here, I reach my hand right there and unscrew it, and then hold this screw so it won't come out. I should have had a magnet, but all my magnet piece is gone. I don't know where they all at. Keep left in the people's car. Now you should be able to grab the bottom one and then pull it out. Pull all of them out like so right there. And then your other hand should be holding, your right hand should be holding right there, and then your left hand should be holding the bottom to pull it out. There's a wire, the plug, you can push it. Same way, you push this part right there and pull it out on the top. Now I got everything out already. I want to show you a trick. Let's see, the plug's gonna look like that part right there. What you want to do, you want to put the flathead right there. Should be a place where you put the flathead like this. And then your other hand push this thing in that way, pushing upward, and then you just twist it. Twist the flathead like this, and it should come out easier, because you don't want to break the wire, the plug. That's it for the removal part. Now we're gonna do the install part. The mounting kit that you will need is 997602. You can put a double DIN or single DIN. And these are the wire that come with this radio right there. I'm installing a KM7300 AP. Right, here's the fun part. I'm gonna remove 8 of this screw. Got 2, 4, 4 right here, and then 4 on the other side. I'm sorry, the easiest way to do is take this 2 out first. This 2 one side and 2 on the other side, and then remove the 8 screw right here on each side right there. I'm recording this from my phone, so it's a little bit difficult, but move that screw right there. and then 2 more right here. And you probably wonder why I'll be using the drill. Well, you probably not, but it's easier to do using a drill because as we gotta. Well, actually, I forgot 2 more right here. It's 6 right there. A little screw. Woo. And make sure you put some, if this is rough on underneath right here, make sure you put some cloth so it don't damage the screen. Once you got them removed, it should look like that. Now here comes the fun part. 997602. And I open it up. As you can see with this mounting kit, it said you can hook up double DIN and single DIN. If you're using a single DIN, you use this part. If you double DIN, you're gonna use this part. You got to put the radio inside here, and I guess you're gonna have to take all this metal out. You're gonna have to use this original metal right there for a double DIN. I don't see any other part in here, so I'm gonna take all this screw out right here, and it should have right side and left side. LH for left. I'm gonna flip the radio. This is the bottom piece right there, and then I'm gonna flip it up like that so I can match this right here. You see that? That will go in right there. This is the right side. It's on my left. It's kind of confusing because this is at the bottom. That's a little bit, yeah. Let me see the radio real quick. The radio is gonna look like that. That's a little bit off. I'm gonna check it out. What's off about this? Okay, I was right. See, this is the left hinge. So if you turn this radio like that, and then it's right here. It's a little bit confusing, huh? Whoop. Hold on. This is up. So the radio is gonna look like that. So yeah. Left is this side. It's a little bit confusing right there, guys. So kind of look at that. Left should be on your right when you put this on top. So once the screw is all in, you got right on this side, which is my left really, but and then left is on this side. A little bit confusing, huh? Because it's up and down. So now if you are going back this way, it's right. So you see that? So now all I'm gonna do is put the radio sticker double DIN inside here and screw on each side. And on the mounting kit, some mounting kit you're gonna see a little bit line like that, but once you put it in, it doesn't look too bad. So I had to make this work. I had to use the screw right there because the radio is only this thin right there. It's not that long like most radio. It's got a groove that fit perfectly in there, but this one they make a little bit bigger size than the regular holes. So I had to screw this to this metal, to the other side of the metal. It just look like that side right there. I put one screw. I'm gonna have to put another screw so it won't move. But most radio are easy to fit, but this radio is a little bit tough. At most case, I usually use the hot glue, black hot glue, and glue it around so you can't really see the holes. Alright, I'm hooking up this. It's a bow system, so I try to use the 7552, which got an RCA jack in the back, and I'll show you on that one. But you don't need the other one. The other one does not sound. The music is so low, so you want to use this one. Instead of a low pass input, they require high pass, which is the regular speaker wire. And make sure you hook up the blue and white wire up so you can turn on the factory amplifier. If not, the amplifier is not going to turn on. There's going to be no sound. So everything's hooked up right there. I'm going to run the remote wire and the RCA jack so that he don't have to mess with it again, and plug everything up. There's so much thing that you can do: steering wheel control, reset, music, wallpaper if you want to download some video in there. Yeah, different setting right there.